Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to tell you about how I curl my hairs with the straightener. I did these bouncy curls with the straightener. If you think like this is your kind of video, then please keep on watching. First of all, I'm going to use heat protecting spray to my hairs because I'm going to use straightener for 200 degrees. So I need to protect my hairs from the heat. So I'm using this spray right here. You can use any spray you have, any heat protecting spray I mean. So once you're done with your spray, you just untangle your hairs with the comb. Make sure there is no tangle. Otherwise, your straightener will stuck to the tangle. So I'm going to sectioning my hair right now. I'm going to use my up hairs like the crown area hairs. I'm going to tie on the top and leave the rest hairs down. Just clip it in. So I'm going to start curling my hairs now. You can take any inch section you want. I'm taking that much hairs. It's like a big, I will show you the small hairs section as well. I'm using here mug curler which is 200 degrees. I'm just taking these hairs inside the straightener. I'm going to turn my straightener inwards just like so and take it out like that. You can see this scale right here, the perfect. That's what we want, like up here straight and curls at the end. Now I'm going to show you with small section, just putting it inside the straightener and going downwards. Here I'm doing the inwards curls. I'll show you the outward curls as well. That's how it looks like. Now I'm taking more hairs, that much section, and again inwards, rolling my straightener inwards, and that's it. Now again, this is I'm showing you outwards like that. I personally like outwards curl with straightener. I really love them. But I showed you the both way, whichever you like, you can do it. Now the other side. The straightener and going it outwards. Just like so, roll your straightener. If your straightener is hot, I recommend you to use your glove. Otherwise, you're gonna burn your fingers. That's the outward curls look like. I personally like outwards. So I just do inwards, outwards, outwards, inwards from the bottom hairs. But for the front hairs, I like to do outwards. So now again, outwards. And take your straightener. Just like that. Again, putting my hairs inward in here. And that's it. Going to do the same process inside the straightener and rolling my straightener outwards and doing the curls like that, and you're done. again. Make sure your straightener is warm enough, otherwise you won't be able to make curls with that. So for my hair length or for my texture, I use 190 to 200 degrees. Now for the front hairs, I like to do outward curls. It will give you more bounce at your front area. So I really love the bounce on the face. So I'm going outwards, just like so. And that's it. See, I love it. I'm doing here outward curls. So doing it like that. Oh, so I feel like the bottom here is straight, so I'm just going to do it again. The bottom, just like that, and that's it. You get the curl. So at the back, I'm doing the same process. Now I'm going to show you in a slow motion again how I did my curls. So again, get that section of your hair, put it inside the straightener, roll your straightener outwards, just like so. Roll it, and go downwards, just like that. And you will get the best curl. And here you go. Now one more time in a slow motion, just like that. And that's it. Ooh, look at the bounce. Now I'm going to do rest of my hairs quickly. You can use any motion like inwards, outwards, whatever you want to do, you can do it. I like front hairs to be outwards and rest my back hairs random, like inwards, some outwards, just like that. And this is the final look. I like the way straightener curls hairs. I really like it. And don't forget to use the spray, hairspray. Here I'm using L'Oreal hairspray, which is extra hold, supreme hold, I think. Yes, you can use any spray, whatever you have. If you feel like this video is helpful for you, or if you like this video, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.